folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Listen, are you making money yet? Listen, if you're not making money online, this is the video that you need. You need no money, okay? You need no investment. And guess what? What I'm going to show you right now, what you can use with your iPhone or Android, is one app. Imagine making $100 today in the next 24 hours. Boom, money. Then tomorrow making $200. Boom, $300 every single day. Check it out. I'm going to go step by step with you. Listen, let me share something with you. In the comments below, I want you to type the words, I can do this. Listen, if you don't believe that this is possible for you, you would never make a dime online. What I'm going to show you is probably the easiest, most simplest way to make money online. Listen, it won't make you rich, but listen, if you like being lazy, sleeping on the couch, with your feet up, then this is for you, okay? So listen, go ahead and sub to the channel. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Every single day, I have a video that helps you to make money online so you can pull yourself out of that 9-to-5 job and make the money that you deserve to have. Okay, listen, step number 1, you must have a Facebook account, and it's free. Hey, it's free. You gotta have a Facebook account for this to work, okay? The step number 2, go to the website, instagc.com, click on the sign up button. Put in your username. Now, this is simple here. And we're talking about free money, free cash, 100%. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof. Put your username, password again. And I know what you guys are thinking. Wesley, I just love you so much because you just keep giving all this value. And listen, if you haven't made money yet, just listen up. It's very important with videos like this, these quick courses that are absolutely free. Watch it twice. One time, just watch it. 2, watch it and do it with me. Does that make sense? And I promise you, you'll see money in your bank account. I get tons of emails of people who are actually making money because they're learning how to do this by watching it first, then 2, watching it again. So you just put in your username, password here, first name here. This is important. Check that box. And when you sign up, you get free 10 points. And let me show you undeniable proof here. If I go to Wesley Virgin, that's me. And yes, guys, I'm a virgin. If you don't believe I'm a virgin, smash the like button. Let's get it, baby. Log in. This is my account here. As you can see, I have already 10 points here just for signing up. But let me show you something. My question to you, comment below, what's your goal? You have to click on this. Maybe your goal is $100 a day. How many of you, your goal is to make $100 a day? Smash the like button. How about $200 a day? $500, $1,000 a day. So listen, whatever your goal personally to make money online, using this information right here in this video that you're watching to the very end, you need to put your goal. My goal, because I'm Big Daddy, $1,000 a day. That's $30,000 a month. Why? Because when I was broke, I wanted to leave my job immediately. When I was staying with my parents, I wanted to leave their house so I can control my own destiny. And now I'm doing it, and I'm going to show you right now how to do it yourself, okay? So it's very easy to do this, guys. And guess what? If you ever want to get paid, because you might say, well, Wesley, how do you get paid? You click here. You can get paid with Bitcoin. They can direct deposit to your bank account, or PayPal, or put the points on a Visa card, MasterCard for you automatically, okay? That's how you get paid. But your goal is to be able to hit whatever your goal is every single day. Mine is $1,000 a day. Now, the question is, okay, Wes, how do I do that? Easy. But before I show you that, look down here. These are so many people. They're already logged in, okay? They're logged in. As you can see, they're earning points every single second. This is being refreshed. You see this right here? People are earning points, and they're young people. They're at-home moms, people who are brand new to the internet industry, but they have no money, and they're just trying to learn. Listen, even if you made $100 a day, that's $3,000 a month. What would you do with that? What would you do with $3,000 every single month? Leave your job, I'm pretty sure. Listen, so this is what you need to do next. Now, this is very important, so make sure you pay close attention, because if you don't, you will make $0. Again, you will make $0 if you don't pay attention to what I'm about to show you here. Go to Facebook, okay? Facebook is free, by the way. Type in Insta GC, okay? That's going to bring you here, okay? And you want to just basically join the group, okay? And basically, the reason why you want to join their Facebook group, and it's free, by the way, because they give you free points every single day. You see here, for 50 free points. people are engaged on the site right now because it's free, right? You just get points for free. And every day, if you log in, you just get free points. Here, you just click on it to get the codes. And then under here, when you're ready to redeem your codes or your information here, then basically it's going to populate your points here, okay? Now listen, this is another way to make money. Right here are to bring in points here, okay? Pay attention. You can go to InstaGC, you can go to High TV. Listen, imagine just watching videos. I do this all the time. Guys, listen, if you keep watching to the end, I'm going to show you a way how somebody else can do this for you so you can relax and do nothing like a lot of internet marketers are doing right now. And many people like you're not doing it because you're not privy to this information. But thanks to Wesley Virgin, I know you're feeling good right now. You're like, Wes, I love you. I'm going to give you the game for free. So listen, start earning. How easy was that? Look, I'm just clicking the button with my left hand here. Okay. Hit play. And you can mute it out so you don't have to listen to anything. And after that video, when it plays, it's going to basically pay you out points in your platform here. You can do all of these things. Does that make sense? Start earning. You can click all these. And the question may be, well, Wesley, how many points, how does the point work as it relates to dollars here? Good question. Listen, if you get 100 points, that's 10 cents. 1,000 points, then that is $1, okay? Let me see if I got that right here, okay? You see that right there? So the thing is, every time that we get points, we have the opportunity to redeem the points how we want to your PayPal account, to your direct deposit, or whatever. Now, your question may be this, Wesley, how do I get as many points as humanly possible without doing much work at all? Smash the like button if that's what you want. And this is what I do. This is what a lot of internet marketers do. How to get other people to do the work for me, right? Because maybe, well, Wesley, I get it. I can watch videos, right? And make this money. I can click on here, add gate rewards. They're one of the best, by the way. And I can get over 2,000 points myself right now. That's like $20, right? That's crazy, right? But let me show you how to cheat the system. Is that cool? Can I show you how to do that? Smash the like for me first. Give me some love. Support the channel. Sub. Let's go. I'm willing to do whatever it takes for the like, baby. Let's go. Listen, this is all you need to do, right? You're going to love this, right? So you're going to go to Fiverr.com, okay? It's going to cost you probably like $5, okay? So if you got $5, you're good to go. You type in the word virtual. I do this all the time with so many companies here, okay? Okay, scroll down, type in virtual assistant here, and all you do is this. You're going to love me and like me so much right now. You find somebody in India, Philippines, pay her $5, and she will do all the work for you, okay? You say, hey, lady, my goal is $100 a day. All right, say if your goal is, let's change it here. Say if the goal is $200, right? That's $6,000 a month. You like that, right? And basically, you ask this lady here, you pay her $5 and say, hey, you can't leave work until you hit $200 every single day in 24 hours. So do the math. You pay her $5, she makes you $200. I mean, you make profit $150. That's $150 a day. That's about $4,500 per month. Do you love me now? Smash the like button. It's easy, but listen, you got to take action. Now listen, it's not going to make you rich. It's not going to make you a multimillionaire, but if that's what you're looking for, right? As you sub to the channel and like this video, in the description below, I have a way. I will teach you how to make $10,000 per month creating your first product for free. It doesn't take any skill, any experience. All you need to do is listen and listen close. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go. Later, folks.